one actually Umbra Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido or a honosome for the Fantidol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association Cafe Banwa na yawo Jowulu police station in Chanhonoma makacho de hade ye fe ye papa hunezi banon so e kama ye papa ntino say epe baby papa na atena from afon hu na nyezi ban papa iza na Cafe Banwa na osade eba Jowulu police station honoma onya yira konkra bra na bohwemus ma hade eti na ba enjoy hunezi banon so na tidama Tuesday bia no yesebro no and so no menye wo favorite rapper no atena se abrentebe all started or rapping yende as something catch papa the first nyuma metia so I was like hey you know what yen boys nyuma no fe baby brothers no what's nyuma nda ya obia bossa Namara no owo one man back to back hits baby me can say this year Telesal Ghana Music Awards or Sunny J best hip life song of the year or a rapper now as a rap Canadian papa obi aruntum nkan she TULENKEY na wo frɛ no into no anape good morning bibia boko na so na me na do mu ye papa na akwaba ahai Cafe Banwa ade yetena sa ye twetwe nkomo edwendwen ya ye ho na ya sonso ya kan he na no so kakra na mepede mehu because me share with that this is my first time nti mepede mehu ye kakra himfa ni nyi no wo himfa na ko school
okay me nyi wo na me wo tesi tree blow that's my early stages of my life but I think we did around 5-6 and I'm a movie called Dance Man. And that's why I've been all my life Dance Man. But I think 2 years ago, I called Ouija and I just came back to Dance Man. I sound so cool school, more Dance Man, I call school Mount Olivet, VHS, and I call Presec. Then I call Ghana Telecom now. At that time, I feel say music call and I start saying the friend. And me jai. So I think level 100 more now. I call Adom Media. Doctor of University, and I'm a question sound engineer.
Okay. Zina, I should say, most my kaya move Accra, a gun boy. I increase you free. I'm increasing okay. A chimney, but in can have war.
Yeah, when you have okay. Big farm.
I see. Yeah. And how soon that's now all your life? Yes. A cook school in our one can have it. Nice. Nice. And you know, TULENKEY also chimoy achimi ne mum. Nkwan hade na what na papa and you know, my yenhwe the main wasn't when wasn't be as a tool. The main wasn't no yeah nkran fu na wasn't be that. Because enyenkwe ya achim dey achim but live life one day when you see as an pa nkran fu so when you see as into no ho na nye the main wasn't free na.
Funny enough me but you be am share them go ni beka introvert what you say bibi me and am sure and I mean say oh yeah when to near now person will make his statement you don't have to be timid and also you'll be our very idea because nobody will take you serious until you share aside there because me as I'm reserved what you say but me make his statement and as when I'm out there I have to put myself out there to the fullest.
Okay. Okay. Into no, and yet baby, nyini, one man you where I'm picking BBR from.
Oh, I did, but I'm still an introvert. But I like to hang around with people. But I picked a few things from there. But and they shaping what I say. And I say meaning so once a wound you're not all reflecting on your life. What I say, I was a little bit hyper back then, but. Me who say and will take you too much of my energy, so I rather be reserved and reflect on life and all those things. So. Okay, into the cool state you who all your life that's not who you have been. I'm very very hyper.
Then like a per outing, how describe what child?
Yeah, me per outing, me per se me PA. One say SS, ABI SS life. One say SS there. After when you have freedom, man, because me wo GHS near the end, they be a chef here, my own PA. At least boys so called Bobo, I know I be free, but. I said when you have time to me call girls school to me call what I say 1 or 2 until after SS no me who say okay, my experiences and money, and if you are that type of person, you want to do more of that. But well, I say it's too much for me. It's draining. Yeah.
Okay. Into SS na I started all rap career nana.
I would say primary.
Hey.
Yeah.
What Mount Olivet and I
Oh, Mount Olivet, yeah. Methodist Academy, yeah.
I see the one day to rap to me baby them.
That's a funny thing. First time I hear remix. And you be an my type. What I say? So basic raps na papaya pasta, don't do rasta, and I'm my media. And see, I was just there. And see, one say small groups, one say class, and the boys at the band, you make the boys at the back. They will be board drums. Not miss me here 1 or 2. A talent show, be only a talent show with school now. Almost will be embedding, will be a showcasing the talent, and will be as a chief meeting me up. That time I'm in sure, but I just wanted to try it. That's what I say. And see, we call stage this one. Cause me spirit a bit. She said me shaky stage. BBR, everything was like I've been doing it for so long. What I say. And see, like I wow the crowd. Be a can say, hey, Charlie, what's say on there? I don't know. And now you catch him say, Charlie, do you meet me? And see, since then I'm starting me taking it very serious.
Okay. Since then, even the time no. Na rap na any wow rap and you'll be new rap wow lines.
Yeah, me and the lines. Yeah.
And at that time now, I don't try crowd and to create to create.
But it will be rap na my version. It was a remix. Yeah, they no punk I no my version. Yeah. So from there I'm starting to try me and raps. Yeah.
Basing there.
Yeah.
Into no, I'm sure they be an old school no nka. In your before forever year apart from rap. You had plans and
Mama call back to me in Colorado. Me I plan to say me baba for some reason. Me I don't know. Another say me baba.
Deputy so too. Okay.
Enti JHS na me nim the number say me but mirror SS no. Me geography. Na me pay geography pan because I need a subject I me idea mo and interesting because na me pay subject no. Enti idea I me find interest there I'm sure. Tinam person me here me geography but Uncle is SS. No, I say they in Shiande, and yes, me tea over. Yan in Shiande. What I say? A cool school, 1 or 2 A bomb is an who say, hey, Charlie, I was sending you then. Me pick you up because you have never sent me. I'm passing into me, and because I'm the same colleague. But I'm passing because school near funnel. Hey, then last show was me no. Now me naturally smart, ain't he? Me in first school is serious. If your papa say, hey, we are there, what pass we are metal PS, number power bridge, metal. PS we am now I'm motivating what I say and then I me GHS last one on mission I me pass na me nya percent me say me I dey my side any view but once SS there different gravy me say Charlie I was Mr. say me revise no I was way behind am say hey and I had bomb so ntia bomb so sana me say oh Ghana Telecom there o grade say average cry o benya wait me ajuma of Vodafone ebet you boys na me dey deal but okay never call Ghana Tel ma call IT
okay the time me an rap the time me an
rap but na one side and see yeah IT no so under for more subject be discrete structures na ne den high level math what I say na me so eti ho na me start to feel sadness I didn't me idea like to please people. Person me white collar job. No say hey me back to school and I say nah. Or say me music no. I'm catch up papa dey would jam me like cause that time now me feel SS and I think the year say anyone no back Ghana no. And o school near mom me who report say me and na me dey me stubborn to no we jam me crowd that. I'm sound so fairly good so. I'm sound so cold GT me see me giant no we jam me crowd but in your daily consistency, mate, won't say, yeah, okay. I said, my father is serious. And I'm about you open minded until you say, okay, and then, oh, yeah, then, or then call Adom Media. See, from there, no, and media start here.
Okay, see, from Adom Media, no, I was going to buy you.
Yeah.
See, who first, you may be a question by
a very proud of boys.
Okay. On no first,
child abuse, and a mom exposure, but the before we no care we this and there we are telling say
wow, nice. And so no TULENKEY in a yengenatsi I listen more interesting conversation papa on easy on the phone but we piano have an papa in 2 adwuma so oyazum e kaka wadwene wanyum pa I was no more than confidence no. Is it because introvert they share them into no where the introverts were very good at observing.
Yes.
Into observer no pay about na they
that's exactly where it comes from. Me sound so you Virgo. When him say
horoscope.
Zodiac signs are. Virgo is very observative. Yeah, share near manso. Even though me share them on social media, me share near my course. Me to make come back and say make your girlfriend F-boy. So better say me F-boy, so me near F-boy. What I say your girlfriend. And no one I mean who say this year I mean who say me you be a me to me tackle issues and microphone can was a microphone dream bass. So I'm say this year and men back you on the men's mental health.
Okay.
So at least this time around I'm doing something. I'm impacting friend is saying the youth and men. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay. It's only a new song bear mano. Na why is the mo enyumene ebe baka wasam but before that I still want to understand your journey into no maybe said is it life city the kind of songs say yeah why the boys in you like boys
it's for the youth for the boys yeah.
Are you intentional another ebia life from school in a way influence or influence when you're in there
me to me I can say e be so my life from school because SS na me here then you sa lifestyle no say boys there yeah also you had also you we also nya girls by 3-4 what you say
was school at that time
school
no girls I
na me over 59 exes and I'm more girls pa yeah na hope say any agidi for coded boys
cheers yeah
any agidi nti your girls ama your co vacation be your mind target say ebi a big girls ebenya 2 wo ho na enya we nti e baba no the other girls ma no we uni nti na you was school nti my knowledge on them things like what girls like and all those things yeah.
I see. It's right. Bibi can be in America. When you be a one, about trim Erica, sir. But I can be a near machine there. And what was the person's reaction?
Oh, sir, near my make a deal. You may assume it depends on who you are. Once boys me and you may be a man, I say your prince or me, but. Any lifestyle. We mean normal, but when we say, "And I do okay," so yeah, lifestyle, normal. What you say?
Okay. You know, but now, academic, be our personal life, or different from TULENKEY.
Oh yeah, I say TULENKEY is the image. TULENKEY is the brand. Every artist, was sad and what you say because Juma. Once I will feel we are different from our friends and our outside into image. It's kind of in line, but it's not the same. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Into no say, or China, but that was what I say. What's the rap YouTube? Oh, Chrome had the average money, Bekake Baba now.
Baba and the you. Well, I'm planning on owning a barbering shop because I always like to look about my downcast in there. It's been a while I took a haircut, but I had a haircut, but it's not my name. The manager on deco. So I'm thinking of starting an Airbnb and later Mirror real estate. Because maybe I say I'm a what's the name of the place again?
Cafe Badwam.
It looks. What's the word? Once or more modern and more. There's a name for the antique. Yeah,
okay. It has a vintage feel.
Once I buy na, my manager and share around. Like I like the place. I never say I'm a pay. And I like 1 out of 1. The Michiane, some share me top and me pure be a share. And yet, me share some drip when me peer bonum so be a share. Me when you are not coming boss and have a coffee because I am a time. Say my show be a because it boils down to who I am, a creative. What you are saying, I always want to be different. And to come home, be different. Me who I do, me who be that like me who. So I was not any idea. So it's in line with the way I metro rapper. Okay, so like me rap here different. So I'm saying me yet deco. I will be what a different will be on here.
Okay. My is a bear man who come bear man. Dentina, very man.
So bear man is for every man who is fighting inner demons, who is scared to voice out what he is going through. Because society, bear man say, on show pain, bear means bear man complaining, any other. And at the moment you voice out and who show vulnerability, you are seen as weak. So in a society who bear man they go through a lot of things. So this is for the everyday man. Yeah.
Okay. You know, say everyday man, another everyday man, but I sympathize with men.
I sympathize.
Men go through so much.
They do.
You know, TULENKEY about boning in our nose, actually, you being able to relate. Only easy being a man, to be a man now, therefore, you know, young supports in the business, no family, and you may know him.
All DSPs, music stores, Apple Music, Spotify, Audio Mac, these are everywhere. Okay. We call me social media, so I'll be home videos, no bet me WhatsApp link, no.
Martin, most of the major no amo. Most of the pay major no na enjoy a crap, but a crack, kitting care no. Na onyeska kakra ntunu kutokum ofanye more projects and farmer him. Me would that can send baby for social media, how I use social media. I was going to ask you about it, but obviously it's still okay. But maybe said the way Anka when you more resonate with the youth, you know, don't you think that staying off from social media no on you any good about how because since you are no on a promotion now social media holds an impediment in way. What are other ways they use apart from the traditional media? How are you getting your song across to the youth? Okay. On social media.
Do then your favorite food? And I'll say.
Mepe bankupa.
Mepe bankupa. But Jumana and I won't say the way we see when you. I mean, can't say on too. But I was so deep. What I say. Within swell, you will enjoy it. But and then your first idea you go from the bank bank. We will be giant TV now with the bank. I know sorry because of Sao Pebe, but. That's the same thing when it comes to social media. Any idea me enjoy. I mean, say okay, Jumana home. What I say, because I'm in social media. On come me page now. Who say me posted 2 years ago and I be anyhow. Me so say me posted program. Me posted wo. Me better na say me try to update the audience. Because like you said, you say I be on social media, but who will be a social media person? No be who me that type of person. Baby, I mean, I'm posted. Yeah.
See, I saw now. See, you me yeah, wow, yeah, that's so cool. Yeah,
me ni masaba ba ni akejuma.
O say the cool see choreographic a wunu
yeah, ni ni account cause you can na cause the last one, mommy winning award no. Yeah, sound there then. Pushing no. Yeah.
Until we now so pushing the Mara from my head. Say be a rap hall of fame. Na ye pede my hand pictures na rapper pictures I be able to honor my Bobby Mam.
Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame, they say the person has been in the game for so long. Only okay, in Ghana, and everywhere.
Ghana.
Sarkodie has to be there. Sarkodie, medical, Obrafo, Tiny. You know them, I think these guys. EL.
I'm sure there were wild thoughts. You remember you could do too.
Oh yeah.
Up to now, in your courage, they were rapping.
Wow, that be some question. Me, maybe you come through my can't answer more. What I say, and thoughts be what. My entertaining thoughts they are told us okay, this will be my next album or something. What I say, I like to catch people by surprise, so yeah.
Okay, but me allow na elements of surprise in the keeping for my hand. Into special thanks on Koma Cafe Banwa. Is Banwa you're so colorful, Anna.
Yeah, Mate said the pan.
Papa. oya ade nyame nhwe hon meda hon as papa na Joel police station che hon mama ka cho even if we a group of friends we see paint wa butu abetena se na wa board no nsa na wo paint be pede be ye bia boys girls obi a na to all the boys at the back boys no back ni gina no
mbre ni na mbedidi
wo mom si no last week obi bia be pede be kan share youth be or share no nkwan na
everybody who is watching, especially the men, if you are going through something, I was so new be emotionally mature. The word is emotionally mature because society, especially girl with age hours, and they notion. Yeah, won't say a proverb that. So we switch girl with girl.
A proverb.
A street proverb. Yeah, we switch girl, but I've even seen it before.
I see.
And this year so guy be hanging home. He said a girl a so cheating on the source then. And me assure say if he was allowed to voice out what was inside that, we wouldn't have gotten to that stage. What I say. So anybody who is going through something, especially men, because a man don't make us social media and boys no money channel say, oh baby don't worry and normal. And you say me girls now to one side. But men man you stigma no who say who you weak but just find a way and society you guys should tone down on men. What you say? Yes,
boy, the example is exciting. Boys when you broken hearts na do schools no one boys na like was through no.
And ya say into boys na almost 3 boys. Who guys are almost so many parties so
today what to my better had and drop a bass mom.
Drop a bass so.
Drop a bass
kakra. Short line of the bear man. They say the truth will set you free so ma came. Dear me no me who dini po na machirem. And we won't pass on my fame to na me dem in seme dama kuma so me who kini po na me biem. I wish I go feel open now, but who at all go open us. Dear my fame munti makuma yet then say I'm okay. I'll take a lot to loosen up or brain no they show me love. Or break me photo net me say only fans. Leave me a text. Pour me some booze. Some inside what pencil I feel no any be cool, anything to cool me down. If we show problems are pilot damage, so I no feel move, but I be man, so what for do? Too late.
No, I saw but that's for Papa there. Say, Chichi Uncomo, very manona, why I cry is my hair no matter to the moment na streaming, you know, and fat a mano, one of my baby some more had a mission of Papa, Obe Kofi Page, head of productions, Kwame, Azu, had the OPG, Weber, or studio, Damara, and a Richmond, Timo, and a mission, but I want to say Papa, Kwame from Pona, or the hand Bahade. Special thanks also Uncle Macafe Banwa, na awa. Etna say ehwehen nyame show papa budo bebre kodara na hwe Adom TV kodara na hwe bedwem izino the Fantadol president for the Brothers and Sisters Association CCRZ Macron nyame adoma yebasana yeshia.